Yo, what's up everybody, and today we're playing some Animal Company. Now, I'm not gonna tell you, I don't really know what we're gonna be doing in today's episode, but we're not gonna be really doing much. We're just gonna be playing Animal Company. Get out of the way!
I'm about to blow
So,
up the house
yeah.
server.
Private code to do that. Or like you can do it. You can do it over there in the.
Shut up.
Can you buy me a rocket?
Dad, you said
God.
it's not okay.
You. Oh wait. Okay, I need
You
to
hurt
buy
my
back.
ears, you fat monkey. You hurt my ears.
Now, do you love the way I do it?
So first, guys, we're gonna be getting up here.
If you want to try out for a team, join code DMMR. If you want to try out for a team, join code DMMR.
Into a Charmeleon? I'm outside of the map. Wait, no, I don't want to go over here. No, my hook shot. Bye, my hook shot. Bye, backpack. Oh, and I turned small.
Suck.
Can somebody give me
Man
a
got
hook
one
shot?
shot in the face by RPG. Dude, a man got shot by an RPG once in his face.
You need to stop using RPGs and it just makes the whole
Yeah,
thing
because
unfair.
that one time person went in there with an RPG and he just shot Blue one time in the face with her. No.
Bro, it can't hurt you. You understand? It can't hurt you right there.
Can somebody give me a backpack and a hook shot?
Aw, man, you lost.
Wait,
Bro,
Blue,
can
can you give me
somebody
a
buy
bit? Can you give me one of those big blue
somebody-
backpacks?
If somebody protects me, thank you. I really hope to not die while doing this.
You go in the modded lobby.
Last thing before I die.
Like a stupid bitch.
Yo, can somebody give me a hook shot?
Hey, you
Great,
like,
great.
you like this bomb I made?
Wait, Pug. Blue, can you give me a hook shot?
No.
You're
Play the
mean.
oopsies game, eh? Oopsies, I became a red one.
I just wanted a hook shot. Can somebody give me a hook shot?
You're making me wacky.
Yo, if you
We
if
are
you go to
hungry
a
for
private
more stuff.
if you go to a private code and
Give
bring
us
this with
it.
you, you
Give
can
us
mine
it.
the green ores and sewers and
us
get
the
even more
banana.
trash.
Nah, I'm good. I just like doing this garbage.
I got some garbage in my
trash.
Give us the garbage.
Hey, garbage
Hey,
man.
I see
Whoa.
some garbage up here. Garbage.
Garbage man, come here,
Why is it garbage? Hold on, there's garbage up here.
I would
Oh,
die.
dude, I got another piece of garbage right here. I
Oh,
collected
yeah,
from the
look,
garbage.
I'll take it. Yellow.
Garbage, man. I'm the
Oh, I can't even
garbage
get
man.
it in. I can't even get it in.
Oh, no. Oh, they left a phone here. Who leaves these phones?
Bro, I couldn't even get it into your shredder. I'm sorry.
Garbage.
Bro, I'm sorry, but I
I'm
can't.
not making it do work, bro.
Bro,
I've been working for hours and hours and hours and hours. Wow.
get this into your shredder.
Stop making this do work.
I'm the garbage man.
Yeah, get back to
Garbage
work.
man, you need help making me work
I'll trade
over
you this.
hours.
I'll trade you this.
There we go. I
What is
think this is a, oh my gosh, more
piece of bacon.
stuff.
Do you like my normal pickaxe? Hey,
Dang it.
do y'all like my normal? Do y'all like my normal crowbar? Fuck
No,
no. Do y'all like my normal
it
crowbar?
sucks.
That's not normal. That's not normal. Galaxy parts.
Can somebody give me some RPG ammo?
You
Yo, can you give me RPG ammo?
There. RPG ammo.
Nah, I'm good. I get the garbage here.
Look at my roof. You like
Hey,
my normal
garbage.
game? Guys, I'm going to explode the server. I'm going to explode the server.
Don't you even dare.
I'm doing it.
If you do, I'm
doing it.
Hey,
Yo,
you wanna
Pink, go out there.
Yo, hold on, dude. I can buy
Pink,
more.
don't do it.
I can
Don't
buy.
Pink.
I can buy tons more. You can shred. I do not.
Guys, say goodbye to your VR, then I'm gonna explode the server.
No, dog, don't shred that. It could explode. It's probably gonna explode. Get in the safe zone. It's gonna explode. I told you it's gonna explode.
garbage man.
Do you like my Galaxy Yummy?
Bro, I told you it was gonna explode.
How
You
much
did not
would it
listen
hurt
to
you
me.
you saw me eat this?
The garbage man is stupid.
A lot.
Garbage
I'm backstage.
Garbage
I'm
man.
stupid. I'm the
Garbage man, here, garbage man.
I'm sorry to do this, but I'm gonna explode your VR.
What? That's not garbage. Give this to your girlfriend.
Hey, does anybody own a crossbow?
I don't got one.
Oh, poor you.
Do you guys have a crossbow?
Oh, hardy, ha.
Like and subscribe.
Is that
Do you own
garbage?
a crossbow?
Is that garbage? I'm the garbage man.
What?
Go outside of the safe
Hey,
zone.
does anybody here own a crossbow?
I ain't going outside. The garbage man's being threatened.
Bo, why?
No.
We have a crossbow.
Go outside or else.
The garbage man's being threatened.
Go outside or
Why is
else.
the garbage man being threatened?
I'm sorry to do this, guys.
Hey, why?
I didn't shoot mine. I didn't shoot it. I didn't
Whoever
shoot
did
it.
that, go kill yourself.
What the
Making me
hell,
work
bro?
over hours. Why are you making me work over hours?
Musical share. Someone want to go mining with
Hey, I was gonna pick that up from the garbage
Yeah.
man.
I want to go
Who's
mining.
this? I'm the
No.
garbage man. Put it
I
in.
wanna be
The
real.
garbage man.
Here.
Come on, let's go. Alright, I'm gonna go. Hey, why are you shooting the garbage man? I'm the garbage man.
I'll give you a garbage backpack. Garbage.
Man, everyone. Man, I got so much garbage.
What you? Put this in your backpack.
Why'd you put garbage? Why you do this to the garbage? Is this your friendly neighborhood garbage man?
Hey, garbage man. Eat this.
wanna go mining?
Yeah, they won't do anything to me.
Fuck no.
Garbage. If anybody here wants to go
Mining, come to spawn point. If anybody wants to go mining.
talk to the
Where's my revolver? Where's you?
What new revolver?
Give it to him. You know the pickaxe.
Does anybody here want to go mining?
God, that's not new. That's an unreleased item. You need to monitor.
Who has the unreleased pickaxe revolver?
It's right behind you.
It's called like a syringe.
You think I'm that stupid?
Can anybody here go mining with
For
me?
my mistakes.
Maybe.
What the heck?
You're right.
I'm paying
The garbage man's going to his house. Weapon.
I hate the fact that I'm red. I'm changing my color back to yellow.
Yeah. Anybody have the new unreleased weapon?
Hey, is this
Bro,
true?
what the
You're
fuck
so
is this
strong,
unreleased
creep
weapon that I'm
rockers?
hearing every fucking where, bro?
It's like a pickaxe revolver.
You got one stuck to your back, numb nuts. I'm the
I'm
garbage.
gonna shred. Hey, guess what, garbage man? I'm gonna shred your balls into multiple pieces.
No, you're not. Get out of here.
Yeah, back, guys.
I'm the
I'm going to
garbage
office.
man. Someone
Wait,
help the
garbage man,
garbage
garbage man. I think I have some garbage for you.
Yellow, you
Garbage
know
man, I have
garbage
garbage for
man.
you. Garbage man, I have garbage for you.
Yellow.
The garbage man. Leave the
Garbage man, come here. Garbage man, I have garbage for you. Garbage man. I have garbage.
You may have a gun.
Put it in.
Hey, guess what?
Hey, who's trying to trade for a
Give me
full
a gun,
bag of
grab a
haunted keys?
Let me put
Who's
it
trying to
in.
trade for a full bag of Galaxy haunted keys?
I have 2 nukes.
Stop.
Oh, fudge.
I'm the garbage man.
Bro has 2 nukes. I'm running up. I'm going straight up.
Shelby.
Friendly fire.
I'm looking up. Oh shit. I'm in the middle of the map. I'm waving my hands. I'm gonna try getting to you. I found a key card.
Okay, give it to garbage man. Garbage man. Give it to garbage man. Give it to garbage man. Here.
Thank you.
Garbage man actually got something in his life.
Garbage man's finally happy. Garbage man can finally live his life.
Flint and steel.
Ah! Why you shooting the garbage man? I'm the garbage man. I'm the garbage man.
Honestly,
Is
man,
there a time bomb?
I have infinite ammo. Hey, guess what? I have infinite ammo.
Drop it.
Alright, who said they wanted a time bomb?
Infinite ammo. Image.
Are you gonna drop that?
I need
Are you gonna keep holding that open RPG? Cause
Infinite booty.
alright, garbage man will help you.
Give us 2. Give us.
Yo.
Let me find her. Give us it, booty.
Man, you
The garbage man help you.
Give us it,
suck
booty
at
boy.
helping.
Does anybody have
I'm the garbage man. I suck at everything.
Mouse.
Not,
When you're
but when I
joining
clean
the-
up garbage, I'm an
the
expert.
new
I was buying another one.
You're gonna shred it. I know you are. It's right over
Go,
there.
go.
I don't have a shred.
I mean, I'm gonna go pick it up.
You have a shredder on your back.
Wait, I do?
Yes.
That's his. Give it back. Give it his. This. Well, now it's calling me back. No, it's on my back. Yeah, thanks. I didn't need it anyways. Here, drop the. Where'd it go?
You go.
Hi, I'll get you now. Here, Brown, drop the RPG gun for money. Brown, drop the RPG gun. I'll put the ammo in.
You can have it.
Hey, stop! Get away!
Man, can you take this out? Can you take this out? Where'd it go?
Oh yeah, I'll take it out.
Okay, there you go.
There you go.
Hey, sir, can you take these?
Take it. What?
Here, can you take these out? I got something for you.
Yeah.
Garbage
Hey,
man.
it's Diamond!
Wait, no, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that one. Don't do that one.
Garbage man, I got something for
Wait,
you.
wait. Here, just put it in this one. Just put it in this one.
Yeah, I'll be a garbage man. Garbage man.
Don't just put it in
Garbage
this
man,
one.
I
Just
got
put it in
something
this
for
one.
you.
No! You keep those. Those are wrapped.
Here, I'll take it.
We are both garbage men. We are both garbage men.
We are 3 garbage mans.
Garbage man's full of money!
You get
My house.
yeah.
Don't mind
Here,
me.
I'm going to my house.
Garbage
If you want to give me my, if you need me to take out stuff, come to my house.
Oh!
Yeah, come to garbage
I'm the new
man's
garbage.
house.
Get out of my house. Get
I'm a
out.
garbage man too.
Come on. Stay here.
I went the wrong way.
Wants this big crate.
Me, I like it. Give it to me. Can I have it?
You want it? Take it.
Thanks.
Oh my god, guys.
I got it.
Yo, can somebody help? Where do I go, bro? Can you take me back? Can you take me out of here?
die.
No.
I know where it is. I won't kill you.
First of all, this one's mine.
Stop.
Second of all, this one's mine.
Don't kill me. Stop. I'm selling this. I'm gonna break.
I'm gonna touch you.
Stop.
Turtles like
Oh, stop.
Asshole.
Garbage man. I'm the garbage man. Anybody have garbage?
Who wants this bag?
Stop.
I still got my shredder no more.
Stop it. Dude, stop. I can't see nothing.
Chicken and cheese.
garbage man. Anybody has a deposit?
Garbage.
Stop. Dude.
Garbage man's now rich.
What?
You want this free dog?
Yes, please.
Ah.
Hey, give it to the man. He said please.
Back here.
Can somebody help me with the glitch?
Yo, can somebody kick this guy? Can somebody kill this guy? Can somebody kill Yellow with the golden revolver?
Why?
I thought you were about to say me, bro. I thought you were gonna say me.
No,
I'll take
no. Yellow with the crown, you're fine.
Yeah, can you buy garbage man a
whoever
shredder
gets it
so I
keeps
can
it, alright?
continue
I'm gonna
garbage?
throw it in 3.
Garbage
two,
man needs a shredder.
I got a booger gun.
Can you give garbage man a
Oh man.
shredder?
No, but you can have this.
No, I don't want one.
Are you sure you don't want it Are you sure you don't want it? It's as big as your head. Are you sure you don't want it? It's as big as your head.
Hey, garbage man shredder. Can garbage man, bro? You
I'll go up there. Hey, garbage man, you need a shredder? I got you.
Garbage man, you need a shredder?
Yeah, I need a
Who is killing people? Who's
Not
killing
in the
people?
lobby. Why you?
Not me.
There's no PvP.
Garbage man in the lobby.
I don't know who's trying to kill me.
I murdered you.
Can somebody give me revolver ammo? Can somebody give me revolver ammo?
Who's trying to kill people?
Not me. I'm just your friendly neighborhood garbage man.
Does anybody else need a arena?
Yo, garbage man. Can you give me your revolver ammo, please?
Alright, why
Anybody have
not?
the arena gun?
Hey, who wants
Yeah,
this? Who wants this?
Me.
Sure, why
Fetch.
not? Garbage man doesn't get anything in life.
That's sad, garbage man.
It's a bird
That's
and it's
a
quick. It's a
janitor.
rocket launcher.
My rocket launcher.
Oh wow, I lagged out.
Hey, got a rocket. Thanks for the rocket launcher.
You're welcome,
Garbage
bro.
man's happy.
Yeah, bro.
Garbage man finally has peace.
Nah, I'm
Gimme,
too
gimme.
broke for that. I may
How
be
do you
rich,
even
but I'm
get
also
the arena
broke.
gun? Where do you even get the arena gun?
Oh, you lost my...
I'm rich and also broke.
Guys, I have the OG boombox. I do too.
Everybody has it.
I don't have
The
it.
garbage man's gonna blow you up.
Garbage man, we don't care about hate you. You're such a bad. It's sad they removed the best item from the game. You know it, right? Sad they removed the best item from the game.
Hey, Red, hey, Yellow, you want to just go to the moon and vibe and drive?
Sure.
Garbage Man doesn't get anything in
Guys,
life.
who likes my unreleased colored raccoon?
Give me that pink.
What does it do?
Can I have it, please?
Give me your pink green
Can
broccoli.
I eat it, please?
Give me.
I am Steve.
What did he just do? Yo, do you know what I
Yo,
call
Red, can I
this?
please have it? Can I please have it?
Do you know what I
please?
call this? I call this the booger gun. That's the funny thing.
Can I please have it?
Why is it just
Once I shoot you, your boogers come out.
I'm Steve.
Except it comes out of your mouth, because you're dead. Give me it. Give me it now. It's my color. It's my color.
I'm going to open there. Whoever gets it, gets it. Ready? 3,
I win.
2. No grappler. No way.
No grappler.
You are all mean.
I'm gonna give it to you.
Can somebody give me broccoli? Can somebody give me broccoli?
Rude. I like you. Here.
How was I rude? I said I like the
joking.
color.
I'm not giving anybody this. You guys must be out of your brain if you guys must be out of your brain cells if you think I'm giving this to you.
I don't have brain cells.
Exactly.
Exactly, me too. I don't have no
Yeah,
brain
me and you are twins, because you don't have brain cells either.
Like my Galaxy baseball bat.
Your
Bro,
baseball
it's
bat
not
is
him.
big.
He's not him because of his colored items. I'm about to go make one, actually.
Yeah, because you're a loser. You still have to make them? No, that's crazy.
Yeah, you
Nah,
made
dude, I
it.
have lots of items I didn't make.
I just found the shit.
Every item is made, so you're calling the devs a loser?
Started.
Ego!
Yeah.
Dude, I need maxes,
I don't want any of this stuff.
I'm always actually.
Don't ask how I got this in there. I just did. Get it out. See what else? My mod. I mean,
stuff? Yo,
Why do you want to be over here, Willow?
what? Get out? I just spawned a bunch of stuff.
Are we gonna make this a modded lobby?
Max ammo?
Okay, yeah, we're making it a modded lobby. Let's go, make it a modded lobby. Make the giveaways real. Oh my god. Oh my god.
No, bro. Oh, that's not only this revolver, bro. Bro, I hate this, bro.
What?
Hey, let me see.
Oh, I big turkey.
No, don't own this revolver.
Big
Own this
turkey.
revolver.
Turkey?
Yeah.
Y'all know what turkey? That's crazy.
Only this revolver. Only this revolver.
Yo, why is everybody upside down?
Because they're holding that and then the Hey guys, that's definitely all I have. So no more. Hey wait, let me, I wanna see, I'm gonna see something real quick. What the fuck?
God, give. So why am I floating?
Oh man, he's not online.
Giveaway? God, the
Is
a
man.
big backpack.
He's not online. I could have gotten one of my friends and he'd have mods, but they're not online. And he was spawned like a billion nut shredder. He crashed our game for nut shredders once.
You guys want me to do a giveaway?
God, I'm gonna do a giveaway.
I'm gonna do.
Okay, do giveaway.
Oh my. Okay.
I'm doing a giveaway. I'm doing a giveaway.
Oh my god, he's actually
Get ready, get ready, get ready, get ready.
Let's go! I got a pipe! It's the only thing I got, bruh. I got a pipe. Let's go.
I got a freaking chicken leg. I'll take the chicken leg.
That's better than a pipe. This is all I got.
Everybody,
Or this ain't even a pipe. This is a mug. I got like the worst thing.
God, I hope y'all happy.
That is
with
not
me.
the worst thing. After all I've done for you.
It's freaking unobtainable. I'll trade this for your chicken leg. I'll trade this.
I'm getting a Galaxy Ray gun. I'm trading a Galaxy Ray.
I'm flying!
Wait, how's it got? Oh, never mind. I see it now.
Should I do another giveaway?
Anybody want to know how to
If
get
you
night
want.
vision mode?
I'm coming. I bet.
How do you get night vision mode?
Okay. How do you do it?
Oh, football.
Eat 2 pieces of broccoli. Eat 2 pieces of
Y'all
broccoli.
can take everything else. This is all I want.
What? As I come
maybe-
back, I see this. Okay, eat 2 pieces of broccoli. Kevin, move!
Da-da. Da-da-da. When I pop top. Don't let me.
Bye, guys.
Actually don't need to stick, but this is how I get
Oh,
up.
what is that?
Stop.
Dang, a tattoo. I got a tattoo.
I don't actually need 2 sticks though.
I have one.
Let me
Can somebody give me a backpack?
Wait, try it
Black,
again.
can I have that backpack, please?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do a giveaway anyways. I'm gonna do a giveaway. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna do a short giveaway, guys.
Come over here.
Do it. Drop it down, drop it down, drop down the stuff.
This giveaway.
Guys, there's a big
This is our short one. 3, 2,
Guys,
4, 2, 3.
Oh my god. And the code.
What's
on the giveaway?
Guys, there's a really
Oh my god. That is such a racist giveaway.
Everybody join
Vertical
Mango
balls.
423. There's a really big giveaway. Join Mango 423.
Wait, Mango 123?
Join Mango 423. There's a really big giveaway happening.
Wait, how do you spell mango? How do you spell mango?
Mango. No, this is I'm about to do a giveaway at the server. How do you spell the code that he just said? How do you spell
Can somebody help me with the
Guys,
glue?
the big giveaway is
How do you spell it? How do you spell it?
The big giveaway is just Mango423.
Oh my gosh.
How do you spell mango?
Giveaway right now. This time bomb.
Okay.
Time bomb.
Okay.
And here, modded. And can they spawn a galaxy?
Okay.
They're time bombs. They're very good. They're like very.
Can you spawn a galaxy grapple
game
this?
anymore. They're not even in the game anymore.
Yeah.
So do they work?
You can spawn galaxy.
Mango 1, 2, 3. Is there a giveaway going on in here? Hello, am I in a code? Or is it pod? What the hell? Why isn't nobody in Mango 1, 2, 3? Somebody should have joined Mango 1, 2, 3. Rar, rar, rar.
Oh, server's about to be crashed out.
Bro, stop!
Headset is already broken. Didn't I warn you?
Don't. Can I drive? Can I drive, bro? Can I drive?
I said your headset was gonna be broke. How? How? Give me. No. Come here. Come here.
I just got the freaking fucking the planetarium. What the fuck?
Okay, what do you have? Okay, let's ready to Blue, do you have neon pop?
Wait, do we
you?
friend at me?
Blue,
Go away. I pressed those.
If anybody wants a free code, literally just go into the planetarium.
Okay, go join the code. Go join the code and then I'll join you.
No!
I can just spam.
Anybody got an arena gun? Don't touch this. Anybody got an arena gun? Close to it.
Okay, answer.
Every day they talking. Every day they talking.
Go, guys, go.
Get close to what?
Every day's the
Then don't get
same.
close.
I'm
Shit, this is.
Arena gun, I'll get my whole entire life savings.
Does anybody have a?
I'm giving away my
Does anybody have a mega flashlight? Does anybody have a mega
Who wants to
flashlight?
trade me for my RPG?
Somebody give me a mega flashlight.
Will somebody
Please,
trade me something good for an RPG?
Me. I would like an RPG.
Trade me something good for this RPG.
Okay.
No, I have something better than that RPG. What do you
Will this
want
egg do?
for that RPG? That RPG.
Perfect, brother. Here,
Ugly.
take this.
That RPG is ugly, dummy. Look at mine.
All right, peace out, guys. I don't know if this is Galaxy or not. But
Yeah, it's Galaxy. It's a Galaxy egg.
I can't take it, bro. I'm
I have like
sorry.
5 of those, bro.
I'm
I
doing
have
a
5 of
challenge. I
those.
can't take this.
Does anybody have the new
Alright, you
unreleased?
gotta give me my RPG back.
Done.
Where'd he go?
5 of those galaxy eggs.
Does he have a nut shredder?
Can I have my?
Hurry, get it.
I have it. Yo, where did Dragon RPG go?
Wait, no, my RPG is gone.
Somebody stole your
I have to
RPG.
restart. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, but I got 5 galaxy eggs.
Yo, can somebody? Yo, help! Help! I'm stuck.
Does anyone have the new pickaxe gun? Does anyone have the new pickaxe gun?
Bro, that's an unreleased item.
I know. It's new. But it's in the game,
I know
but
what you mean. But
know.
there's 2 versions of it.
two. Oh
Yes.
yeah, I forgot.
There's a shotgun and a pistol, a revolver.
Does anybody have the new pickaxe and revolver gun?
Let's go.
Probably no one has it, bro.
Are you selling?
I got 2 giant galaxy eggs. Let's go.
Bro, I'm trying to get the.
coming to space.
Hey, I'm robbing you. Give me all your money.
I'm broke. I don't got no money.
Give me your ass.
Oh, hell no. Get the fuck back here.
What?
Get the fuck back here.
Right.
Fuck
I'm
no.
stuck.
You!
Yeah.
Yo, how the fuck did you get it?
Oh yeah, I forgot. I did too. I beat Mario Galaxy in the Toad icon.
How'd he do it? What the
Rocket?
How did you do it?
Yo.
How'd you do it? How'd you do it? Tell me your ways. Tell me your secrets.
I think I can teach someone how to do it. I think I know how to do it.
Look at those trying to kill me. There's no PvP.
Bro, I almost did it one time, but I accidentally got into planetarium. I know how to do it. Yeah.
Can you show me how to get into planetarium? I mean, to mines?
You probably try to get it because if you want to see it at planetarium, literally just go to planetarium because it's there still.
Wait, you still have it there? At planetarium?
Yeah, it's still there.
Okay, I'm going. Bro,
I need one of these spaces. Somebody teach me this.
There's kids over here trying to kill me
I'm
for
going
2
to
galaxies.
planetarium. I don't know I don't care what everyone else says. I'm going to planetarium. Planetarium's my favorite map.
Somebody teach me this.
Give me all your.
Bro, no. I don't want to freaking freeze in the freaking middle of the air. Move. Stupid game. Stop freezing me in the middle of the air.
You did it! Does anybody want to give me a car that does? I can give you a car.
Bro, there's literally a car in here.
I'm holding on your
Bro, that's our Charmander, mommy. That's our Charmander.
Open those crates. Wait, I'm not on anymore. I'm on.
Wait, no! No! Yo, who's that? Who are you? Yo, Crow. Yo, who are you? Oh, I'm trying to get my grappler. Come on, weigh me down. No, don't get me stuck on you.
Wait, your turn.
No. Please. No. Oh my God. What the frick? No.
Are you still on? No, I'm still walking. I'm on the not in W. Where are you?
In planetarium without anything.
On the other side of the mountain. In the middle of the jump, and I kind of hurt myself. If you look in the middle of the jump at the wall, you can see.
That has to
I don't
be.
see you. No,
No, I need help. Yes. No. No. Are you kidding me? No.
Question arena.
No. Frick you. I need. Black, help! Black, help me! Help, Black! Black, help! I need green broccoli, Black. Black. I need green broccoli.
Okay.
Black, please, I need green broccoli. I can't get out of here.
Look at
Out
the name
it.
tag I circled.
Wait. I think I did something that was wrong, and I shouldn't have done it. Now I'm gonna be stuck on that planet. No, I'm gonna be stuck on the sun. Great. No? Wait. Maybe. Oh, that's my car! Black, that's my car!
I ate you as a pickle, and then you got stuck anymore. You can't use the car in here. Yeah, you can. You can't use the car. I tried.
Bro, can you give me some of the green broccoli?
It didn't work.
No, frick you, son. I know. Can't get
No, I'm
anywhere.
not done. I'm done.